Hello, this is Nevis. I just want to show how easy it is to create a quiz on Wayground. I've already got some in my library. I haven't created one with AI yet, so I want to do that right now. Create a resource, search for resource, upload. So I'm going to write email etiquette, okay. Oh my gosh, there are quite a few. So I want to actually create one for adults. 7th grade may be a bit young. Go for professional development. 11 to 20. Apply the filter. I'm going to choose this one here. So I can copy and edit, generate flashcards, add similar questions. I can go through these and decide to add more information, for example, or remove some of these. So I'll do a copy and edit. Okay, so I may leave these ones in. The first one looks good. Get rid of that one as well. That sounds okay. Let's add a similar question using AI. I like this one. Okay, I like all of these, so I'm going to 3 new questions added. Okay, great. Save changes. And I now have 12 questions, 48 points. Let's make all the points the same. So we can make all the points 3 points and time 30 seconds for all of them. And they've all been updated to 30 seconds. Okay, I don't need to add any more questions. I'm happy. I want to add explanations for each one. So 12 out of 12 questions have got explanations now. I really like that idea. So I'm going to save changes and that's it. I'm going to now publish it first and then we'll preview it. Alright, email etiquette. I might want to change the logo. I like that one. Insert. I'm going to say, I'm going to put in brackets TOWAI, so I know it's for this course that I created it for. There we go. Let's preview it quickly. Okay, so we can also choose read aloud, preview as a student, okay. Okay, just let's preview as a student. Hopefully I don't have to play it all. And this is great. See how you get the answer explanation, which I think is a really good idea. Okay, I'm just going to click on next question. There you go. I really like the answer explanation. So I'm just going to quit soon. I'll just save and exit. And here we are. That took about, I think, 5 minutes, give or take. So I think this is a really brilliant way of creating quizzes. Thank you for listening. This is Nita signing off till next time.